In this video, we're going to talk about a tool will comes under a bulk action, that is a rules. Now, what are rules in Google Ads? Okay, so rules are nothing but, for example, let's say you're running a campaign. Okay, and obviously we can't keep a let's say a watch on a campaign for every minute or every second. So what we can do, we can create a rule over there and you can apply on a campaign. For example, let's say if you want to make a rule in the such a way, like if you get 100 conversions, stop my campaign. Okay, so in this we can come up with any kind of rule. For example, if your cost per click is going, let's say, more than 60, okay, I'm seeing the random numbers, it's going more than 60, stop my campaign. Okay, or enable my campaign. You can pause the keywords, you can enable the keywords, getting it. So there are many options available while creating a rules over here, and those rules are known as automated rules because it's automatically get applied and you can pause the campaign or you can enable a campaign. Okay, so for example, if I go with the plus sign, I'll show you how to create these rules. I'll create the keyword rules. Okay. So let me show you before that, like, you get a multiple options over here. You can create rules on campaign, ad group, keyword, placement, audience. Multiple options are there. Okay. As of now, I'll show you with the keywords, keyword rules. So name your rule. This is for your understanding, for your, let's say, scenario. I'll put this as a, let's say, trial. Okay. Again, put an action, what action you want. You want to pause the keywords, you want to enable the keywords, you want to change the beats of the keywords, what exactly you want. I would say I want to pause the keywords. That's an action. What do you want to apply this to? Like, which, for example, I want to apply the keywords in the selected campaigns. And I can select the campaign over here. Like in this campaign, you can put this condition. Okay. So condition now over here, I'll put all and I'll add a condition over here. So now condition shows like, okay, in performance, if I go, if my, let's say, average CPC, it's more than, let's say, 50, this is my condition. So average CPC goes more than 50, then take this action, pause the keywords. Okay, and frequency is like how frequently you want them to keep on checking this rule. Okay, so you can go for daily, once, weekly. I will say, okay, you can go for daily. Okay, daily at this time, you can go and check and I can go and apply this rule. Okay, and at the same time, if you want, if any changes are there, you can get an email as well, or you can select no emails as well, depends upon you. Okay, can save rule. So now this rule has been applied to those campaigns what you have selected. You can see over here. Okay, if you want, you can edit this rule later on as well, if you want to add some more campaigns or remove any campaign. Okay, so this falls under bulk action. You can add multiple campaigns under that rule, and this is how we use automated rules. Okay, let's try with one more. If you want, you can go with, let's say, age range. Okay, so you want to, let's say, exclude any age range, or you want to change anything. Okay, change maximum CPC bid. You can put a bid over here, apply to any particular campaign, add the conditions. You got all the metrics over here. Your quality score is going low or whatever it is, you can decide the metric. Okay, and put a condition, and then you can go with the automated rules. So I hope the concept is pretty clear of the automated rules.